I'll show you the top 5 strategies for Instagram monetization. The first one is called sponsored posts and brand collaboration. You can partner with brands to promote their products/services in exchange for payments. Use tools like Instagram collabs, branded content tags, and influencer marketing platforms to connect with potential sponsor. The second one, affiliate marketing. Promote products like affiliate links and earn commission for each sale made to your link. Use platforms like Amazon Associate, Share a Sale, or Reward Style to find affiliate programs. The third one, selling digital products or services. Create and sell ebooks, courses, templates, presets, or coaching sessions. Utilize Instagram shops and link to external platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, or Etsy. The fourth one, Instagram subscription and patches. Offer exclusive content through Instagram subscription or earn from viewers who purchase patches during live stream. This works well for creators who are highly engaged in audiences. The fifth one, user-generated content creation. Create content for brands to use their own marketing campaigns. Change for content creation rather than just posting it on your profile.